Hello, my ninjas. This is Abdallah. I want to try out on a practical demonstration on how we can use a free hosting service to create an online e-commerce store using WordPress. You see, if you can see my screen, initially we've been trying to use OO web host, but it has been an issue. So I have a new one. I don't know whether it will work. I came across this one, Beatrix 24. You can see the URL, and I'm going to copy this and send it to you so that you can also try out. So
We've recently added the Beatrix 24
so when you come to this
Sites beta to your Beatrix
site, you click register for free, and therefore they take you to registration. You're logged in as, then they say the name here. I want to create a new Beatrix 24. Let me create a new one, so we see whether it will be easier for us to go past that level. Let's see. I'm just trying out on this. I don't know how actually it works, but I didn't want to try it out before I shoot this video. So I said I should shoot the video, and then they are giving us this. Your Beatrix will open in 0 seconds. It's available. Let me see. Oof. The network has been interrupted a bit. Let me see if it will come back. Wait. Okay, we got here like this. So we've logged in using this Gmail account, and I'm sure you can also log in. So you come here and say new site, and they ask you to select for a template. A template is like a theme, and a theme is the structure of your site. So let us take this one that is saying business and see how it goes. I can see that you can position it here. I mean, you can change your color themes here. I think I like this blue. Sky blue is always good for me. I like it so much. So they say you can position your business as specializing in specific area of expertise and all that. Create your site and get more customers. You come here and say create. So we are here. Okay, this is a template. The template, we can go to design here. And try to edit this. And just go here and say design. Then we can try to take some actions here. We can copy, we can paste. We can go to settings here. Go site settings. In the site settings, we can try to edit our site here and change our domain. I think when you use on domain, you have to pay. So since it is free, so we can come here and say t-shirt. It will have this extension because we are not paying. That's what it means. So come here and say continue. So our site address is t-shirt.beatrix24.site. Same color for business. So we can say save. So it takes us back here. So you can just come here and try to edit about us. Go to about us. You can come here and try to link this to the link.